Here's how you find a tangent line or a normal line from a graph using your graphics display calculator. First of all, we're going to set up the problem, and let's just say we've got the equation or the rule f of x equals x plus 1 on 2x. So we're going to type in f1 of x like so, and then we're going to hit control and then the button next to the 9 here gives you a colon equals. That means we're going to make f1 of x become equal to a certain expression. So control divided by gets me my fraction, and now I'm going to put x plus 1 on the top and 2x on the bottom, and it's now done. If I type in f1 of x, it just gives me what it is, the rule, x plus 1 over 2x. I can evaluate it like so. F of 2 equals 3/4. Now we know for a tangent line or a normal line, we need to have a point at which the graph is, the line is touching the graph. So if we say x equals 2, then we'll get a y-coordinate of 3/4. So 2, 3/4 is our point. Now, in order to work out the tangent line, we don't quite need that much information using our calculator. If I go to menu, then 4 for calculus, then 9 for tangent line, it'll give me this. And then if I go, I want to find the tangent line of f1 of x at the point x equals 2. And just to be a little bit more tidy, I'm going to go y equals, like so, press return, and it will give me the tangent line y equals 1 minus x on 8. Or if you like, y equals negative 1/8 of x plus 1. That's the tangent the equation of the tangent line. We can also do y equals menu, 4 for calculus, a for normal line, and then do the same process again, x equals 2, and it will give me the normal, the one that's at right angles to it. So we can see it's y equals 8x minus 61 on 4. And again, just a quick visual check, negative 1/8 is the gradient of the tangent line, and 8, which is the negative reciprocal of negative 1/8, is the gradient of the normal line. So all of that works out. Of course, you can do more fancy things if you want to, like say f2 of x becomes equal to the tangent line. I'll just copy and paste it just to save time. Copy and paste. I can do that. And now I've got f2 of x stored in the memory there, 1 minus x on 8. So if it said, what is the value of the tangent at x equals 2? Unsurprisingly, we'll get 3/4 because that's where it's touching f1 of x, and that f1 of 2 was also 3/4. That's as expected. But I could also go f2 of 0 if I wanted to do that to get 1, or if I wanted to work out the x-intercepts, I could solve for f2 of x, x-interceptor, equals 0 with respect to x, and that would give me, that would tell me that it's cutting through the x-axis at 8, 0. So there's a whole bunch of things you can do with your calculator. At the very minimum, you can work out the tangent and normal line just by plugging it in. But if you set them equal to functions, then you can actually do operations with those functions as well.